guys, today I have a review on these magnetic lashes right here. I actually have them on and I'm gonna jump into a try on portion right away. I don't have like my full glam makeup on because I'm in the middle of filming other videos, but I was sent these Kinky lashes. This is in the style Adore. They also sent me the L'Amour, which are more natural, and these are magnetic, and they do have these magnetic liners as well. And they even have these little kind of like little tweezers as well to apply them. And yeah, it's a very interesting concept. I will have price points, their link, and anything else down below for you guys. But I really wanted to show you guys kind of like my first impression trying these on, and that way you guys can kind of see your, like, have your own thoughts on it. Let me know if you guys have tried these and what your opinion is down below. For this try on portion, I am going to use the Kinky Lash Adore. And these are a little bit more fuller, and I want to kind of just do this on camera and see how it goes. They sent me their little kits, so they sent me more of a natural lash, more of a glam lash. These are 2 liners that are for magnetic reasons and a little lash tweezer. I'm gonna go ahead and cut down the lashes. These are magnetic, and I'm just gonna cut them down to my size, so that way when I apply them on, they can just go on directly. Now that I've cut the lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the magnetic liner. It is a brush tip, which I do prefer. I just feel like it's easier for me. And I'm just gonna do a thin line. And it's very, very liquidy. I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry while I apply the other eye. So now that the glue has dried, it is a little bit shimmery, just in case you don't like that. It's not full matte. I'm not sure if they have one that's full matte, and we're just gonna apply these and see how easy these go on. They do have little magnets all through it that are supposed to connect with the liner. I'm hoping that you guys are gonna be able to see this. I don't know how to, okay, let's see. Hopefully you guys will be able to see this on camera. Okay, I'm just trying to place them, and hopefully the magnets will connect with the liner. Oh, look at that. I don't know if I should squeeze them together or not. Oh, that feels really comfortable. And that's what they look like. That is so, it kind of feels a little weird compared to using glue. I guess it's just until you kind of get used to the fact that they're on there. It almost just feels weird because with the glue you kind of really feel like a real strong grip sticking there, but it's on there. It's just, you know, it's just like so light. It scares me that it's gonna fall. Maybe I should have done thicker liner. Let me go ahead and apply the left one and see. And this is what they look like in the end. I have to really try these out and wear them out and about to see how long they last. I'll try to put an update down below. I do feel like it feels a little bit more heavier than regular lashes, just because I feel the magnets are a little bit heavy. But overall, I'm pretty impressed how easy they are to apply. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button down below. If you guys have used these magnetic lashes, let me know what your thoughts are. I'm in shock.